Now let us discuss the triple one question. Identify the correct statement from the following. In this type of questions, verification is the best method to approach. And now let us verify the first option. Wrought iron is impure iron with 4% carbon. We all know that wrought iron is an impure iron, but here percentage of carbon containing is wrong. Why? Because it's not 4%, it's 0.1 percentage. They given 4% instead of 0.1%. Statement 1 is incorrect. Now let us verify the statement 2. Blister copper as a blistered appearance due to the evolution of carbon dioxide. Here the blister copper is blistered appearance. This is due to the evolution of sulfur dioxide, not carbon dioxide. So statement 2 is also incorrect. Now let us verify the statement 3. Vapor phase refining is carried out for nickel by Van Arkel method. Vapor phase refining is carried out for refining of platinum, hafnium, and zirconium metals, not an nickel. So statement 3 also incorrect. Now let us verify the option 4. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. This statement is exactly correct. Now let us try to know about what you meant by pig iron. Pig iron is obtained by blast furnace which contains about percentage of carbon and many impurities such as sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, and manganese. This is called the pig iron. Now let us discuss briefly about pig iron means. This iron is obtained by blast furnace which contains 4% of carbon and many impurities that are sulfur, silicon, manganese, and phosphorus. This is called the pig iron. The pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes, so statement 4 is correct.